Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll continue exercise self practice 2D. See what we have to do in this self practice 2D. See in the self practice 2C, question number third A, we had done some mistake in that. In third A, 2 3 by 8 multiply 5 1 by 5. 2 3 by 8 multiply 5 1 by 5. That question is correct. So in that question we have written by mistake 8 2 is 16 plus 3 19 by 8 it should be, and what we have written 16 by 8. So 8 2 is 16 plus 3 19 by 8 multiply 5 5 is 25 1 6 26 by 5. Okay, like this it will come. So here you see 2 4 is 8, 2 13 is 26. Now nothing will be cancelled. Now you multiply it. 39 is 117, 7 carry 11, 13 is 13 plus 11, 13 plus 11 24, 247 by 20. So divide it, 21 is 20, 47, 22 is 40, so 12 7 by 20. So answer will be 12 7 by 20. Okay. So that we have done in the last. On the place of 19 by 8 I have written 16 by 8, that is the mistake. Now self practice 2D, first question. Find the reciprocal of A. Reciprocal means its inverse. So reciprocal of 1 by 3 will be what? Find the reciprocal of 1 by 3. So reciprocal of 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is what? 3. Its inverse. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Okay. Now E. Like this, you find reciprocal of 6 1 by 6. Reciprocal of 6 1 by 6 is, so 6 is the 36, 36 plus 1 37 by 6. So 6 by 37. 6 by 37. See, 6 is the 36 plus 1 37 by 6, and the reciprocal of 37 by 6 is 6 by 37. Now see the question number 2. By taking following examples, show that the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So here we have to find the product and the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 225 by 37. Reciprocal of 25 by 37 is, what is 37 by 25? Okay, and we have to find the product of the, so product of 25 by 37 and its reciprocal. So 25 by 37 multiply, and its reciprocal is 37 by 25. See, 37 1 ja, 25 1 ja, cancel. So what you got? 1. Okay, the answer is 1. So the product of the number and its reciprocal is always 1. Like this we have to do. Okay. Question number 3, think and answer. Similarly, you can do the 2D also. First you convert the, let me do 2D also. One more question we do. So reciprocal of 11 by 35. So what? 35 on the 35 plus 11 46. 35 on the 35 plus 11 46 by 35. That is 35 by 46. Is its reciprocal. Okay. Now we have to find its product. So again, product of 111 by 35 and its reciprocal and its reciprocal 35 by 46. So find it. So what do you get? 46 by 35 multiply 35 by 46. See, 35 1 ja, 35 1 ja, 46 1 ja, 46 1 ja. What we got? 1. Okay, the same. So here on the place of mixed fraction, I have written its value 46 by 35. 111 by 35. In the improper fraction, you will get 46 by 35. Now question number 3. In defining the reciprocal of A by B, we have imposed the conditions A should not be 0, B should not be 0. Give reasons. So think and answer. Yes, in defining the reciprocal of A by B, we have imposed the conditions A is not equals to 0, B not equals to 0. Why? Give reasons. Because if suppose B, it is a fraction, B should not be 0. A fraction in which B should not be 0. Because if B will be 0, so number will be undefined. Now if you want to find its reciprocal, suppose the reciprocal of 0 is undefined. A is 0 and B is not 0, 0 by 8. And reciprocal of 0 by 8 will be what? 8 by 0. And 8 by 0 is what? Undefined. Okay. So that's why for a reciprocal of a fraction, A and B should not be 0. Now we move to the next exercise, self practice 2E. Self practice 2E. So division by 0 of any number, division by 0 is not defined. That's why for a reciprocal of a fraction, A and B should not be 0. So now this is all for today, students. In the next class we will start new exercise, self practice 2E. Thank you for your kind attention.